Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the Onesie Mockup with cookies in Pixlr. First, go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com. It's going to give us a couple options. We'll choose Playful Pixlr X. Then on the left-hand side, where we see the Open Image button, click on Open Image. And then we will find the Onesie Cookie Mockup. It's going to ask us if we want to size the image down. We don't want to do that, so we'll click Original to keep the original size. And then we want to add our graphics on top of the onesie. So on the left hand side where we see these icons, the bottom one says Add Image when we hover over it. We want to click on that bottom icon and then click on Browse to get graphics off our computer. And it's going to ask us if we want to create a new document or add our graphics as a layer in the current document. So we'll click Add Current to add it as a layer. And when it opens, it might be a little big, so we just want to hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just click in any of the four corners and drag it in to make it smaller. You can also drag it out to make it a little bigger if we need to. And then when we've got that size about right, and just kind of click and drag it in place. You could click and drag the four corners while holding down the Shift key a little more if you needed to. And then we need to rotate it a little bit. So when we hover over this circle, this handle up here, so we click on that circle and then just drag it to the left, it'll start to rotate the graphic. And then when that looks good, we can just click the Save button at the bottom. And we want to save it as a JPEG for use as a thumbnail on sites like Etsy. I would change the quality to 100, leave it on high, and then just click Download. And it'll save that JPEG to your Downloads folder. It'll also give you the option to change the folder where the files get saved. If you wanted a Pixlr document as well, you could click Save Again and select PXD. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com.